Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the Godox S200. It's the tube light that you may have seen. Don't confuse it with the LED light. This is a strobe light. This is the box that it comes in. It connects to your Godox AD200 for power. So let me show you how that works. First, you pop off the head, just like that. And then you take the adapter that's connected to this. And it goes together just like that. So now you've got your power. You turn it on. And I'm going to shoot. I'm going to shoot in manual today. So the first video I did, I shot in TTL. Today we're going to shoot manual. So let's check it out and see what we got. And also, when you go to put on the strobe, let me show y'all how that goes on. Get a light stand. You get the adapter. You just screw the adapter right on. Put it in the light stand. Tighten it down. And now we are ready for 360 light. Also, one more thing. It comes with barn doors because otherwise it's giving out light 360. I'm going to set it so that it gives out light at 180 degrees. All right, so let's get some pictures going. Okay, so we've got it set now. I've got it set to manual, so we're going to do some pictures of her. I've got it on 200 ISO, 1/400 to the second high speed at f3.2, and I've got 1/4 power coming out of the light. So let's see how even this light is distributed. Oh, there you go, good. That looks just awesome. I love that. Let's see if I go around this way. Turn your chin toward me. See how much flash gets to the other side. I like that. So now I'm going to move the flash. I'm going to move it up real close. Turn the barn doors a little bit down. Just some minor adjustments I'm making to see what happens. So there you go, another good smile. That looks awesome, I like it. Now I'm going to take it and put it up. This flash is new, so I'm still experimenting with it. I did a video last week, a real short one, when I was shooting in TTL. So today we're in manual. We're just going to try a few things and see how it works. I want to see how it does up high, coming down. Good smile. That looks really good. Keep that smile. That's awesome. I like the light. So now, I'm going to bring it kind of a little lower. Put your hands like this time. Point your feet this way. That way. Now twist back toward me. Twist back that way. That looks really good too. You can see how the light is really just covering everything. There's no diffuser on it. They say you don't have to use a diffuser. So turn your chin back this way. And you can see just how beautiful that light is coming from this Godox ADS200 to 360. I really like it. Let me move it back and see what we get. All right, same thing again. Good smile. No, you don't have to. Put it on your waist. So that looks awesome. Let me go vertical one. So the guys, that is the ADS200. You can see how well the light gets scattered with the 180 degrees instead of a direct light like you're going to get with a Fresnel head or something like that. Just use the barn doors. They go from 360 to, you can clamp them down to as small as you can get if you want like a streak of light. So check it out. And the Godox AD200, if you want to check one out and get one, look down on the bottom for our affiliate link to get you a Godox ADS200. And we'll be doing some pictures with it inside very soon. So, hey, if we're helping you guys out, hit subscribe.